In this video, we're going to embed a quiz pop-up to a Showit landing page. So the first thing you want to do is log in to your Interact account. And then for the quiz that you want to appear in the pop-up, you're going to click on Share and Embed. Then click on the pop-up tab and toggle on this quiz to start promoting. Note that you can have one quiz in a pop-up at a time. You can customize the settings for the pop-up, and once you're ready, click on Copy Code. Now head over to your Showit account and open the page that you want the pop-up to appear on. From the Home menu, click on Advanced Settings, and then in the Custom Head HTML field, paste the embed code. Click Save, click Publish, and click Publish. And now when I open the site, I should see the pop-up appear in just a few seconds. And that's how you embed an Interact quiz pop-up on a Showit landing page.